journey is in an agile world. So in the agile world, you always hear about it being iterative and the pieces just kind of iterate. And that's kind of hard with hardware and the things. So here at Mesh, we've also started talking about a new term, gated agile, where we mesh waterfall and agile deliveries into an iterative nature with product development today. So what does this look like as you go through it? What are those questions you start asking when you get into the mesh or the hardware part, the things part? It really comes down to the gates, the research, the design, engineering, manufacturing. These are where you start asking yourself the questions around and key decisions around stakeholders around what contract manufacturer am I going to pick? What other partners do I need to do? What near shore or far shore decisions, cybersecurity decisions do I have to worry about as things move around? How do I build it? What material? Really what it comes down to is where am I going to spend the money? The prototypes, how much, the tooling, the real big cost vectors, first samples, how many parts do I need to buy out of the gate to line up with the end? And that inside of each of these, research, design, engineering, is where you're iterating. That's where the agile part comes in. You make your design, you test it, validate it, you tweak it. You started building it in a design phase. You start putting the antennas on it. How long does my range actually get? Doesn't quite match. You iterate it, expand it, optimize it, all the way through the tooling into manufacturing, my mold, my plastics, and making those scale. That aligns with software. Software is in that continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD. It just kind of spirals, works with the cloud mobile. But when we mesh it all together, it works well across all, and we get to the destination. That destination is really works when you mesh it all together and we arrive at that journey together. The collaboration is very much key there. From a partnership standpoint, the partnership is also very pivotal.